Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Alejandro Kinsbrunner and I will be hosting the third episode of the video series called Developing Side-by-Side Extensions with CAP for SAP Service Cloud V1. In this video, I will show you how to access the Business Accelerator Hub and search for the desired API. Then how to download the EDMX file that needs to be imported into our CAP project. In order to achieve this, let's start by entering into api.sap.com. Next, let's go to Explore, SAP Customer Experience, APIs. Here we choose our product, in this case SAP Cloud for Customer. Here we will find all the APIs related to this Cloud for Customer. So here, let's look for ticket. We can see that the status of this API is active, that is of type OData. Yeah. Here we will download the EDMX, which is basically a file that describes the data model entities that make these APIs. Then here we can go to API reference, where we can see that there are many endpoints, yes, and they are collected inside different groups. For example, we can go to service request, where we see the ones that we will be using, which are the get service request collection and the patch service request collection. For sure, we can try things out. I strongly recommend you to have your own user logged in. Here you have by default the environment sandbox, which is the one that will be retrieving data from here, mock data from SAP. And then I have already installed one. Yeah, I have already added a new environment for our demo tenant. Here what we will need to use is the get service request. Yeah, here you can enter some parameters, then you hit on run. And you get, in this case, a lot of results, over 3,000. Let's make a simpler request, for example here. And then let's even make it much more simple. We can select object ID, just to see how this works. Yeah, and here you can see the ones I selected. Okay, so once you have downloaded the EDMX file, you will come here to your project. And what we will do is, I generally do it like this just to make it more visual. I will grab the file that I downloaded and I will send it here to our workspace. Yes, we can close this now. We can close this now. And here we can do simply a CDS import ticket EDMX, and let's see what it happens. Pay attention to the SRV folder. Okay, so first of all, let's log. Yeah. We see here imported API to SRV external ticket, yes, and updated the JSON package file. So first of all, let's see, it automatically created an external folder, and inside of there we can see a ticket.edmx and a ticket.csn. Yes, we can do right click on the EDMX and open with OData CSDL modeler. Here we can see a diagram if we want. Well, it will take a few seconds to open. But here we can see all the entity types. Yes, with the corresponding properties. We could do here diagram. And we could see everything as a diagram. Yeah, it's simply a visual tool. Okay, so now we have imported the API into our CAP project. The last thing I would like to show you is what happened with the package.json file. You will see that here on the bottom it has added new values. Yes, it requires ticket now, which is of kind OData v2, and the model is served here on SRV external ticket. We are now ready to start coding our data model and expose our first API, but this will happen on our next episode. Thank you and see you soon.